What's up guys, how are you today? I hope you are doing great this week. As I said, every week we have a new videos. This week we are going to do the V-shape haircut, guys. Yes, the V-shape haircut. This is Catherine. She is so beautiful, she's so adorable, and as you see she has a long hair. So we are going to do V haircut on her. And I hope you like it. Just I want to mention something. Back in time when we used to cut a V-cut, I don't know, your mom, your sister, back in time, somebody cut a V-cut. What they do is this, let's say this is the shoulder area, is they cut two guidelines and then they connect them to the center and it looks like a triangle, and this is how they cut V-cut. 2019, we don't cut V-cut this way. We have more advanced technique full of textures, layers, point cutting technique, slicing technique. We will see lots of fun. I hope you will like this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like my videos, and let's go right now and start the haircut step by step. Okay guys, the first thing is you have to do is wet the hair. Make sure all the hair is wet, there is nothing left dry, and after that you comb the hair, make sure no tangles in the hair and it's clean and ready to go. The first thing is I'm gonna do is section the hair. I'm gonna take part from the center, even right and left, and I'm gonna section it behind the ear literally, and right and left. That's it, very simple. In the back part, I'm gonna just clip them and move them away. There is nothing really difficult about this sectioning. So I think you know is the V-cut usually we start from the back, but this one we're gonna start from the front. I'm gonna take section from the right fringe and the left one, and I will cut them point cutting technique. As you see, this is gonna be my guideline, so don't elevate, keep your elevation very low and cut point cutting technique to make the hair a softer edge. You don't want to blunt because you're gonna create this harsh line and then later you have to blend it, so it's gonna take you more time. So do point cutting technique, and as you see, little section from the right, little section from the left, and here we go. The first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start take diagonal sections and I push them straight up. So my elevation, as you see, let the comb bleeding. You don't push the hair down, don't push it way up, just go diagonal and follow the line, and keep your section inside the nose. So like if you cut on the right side, don't pass the nose, keep inside the right side of the face. And here we go, just cut diagonals. It's really nothing that hard, just keep the consistency and make sure you are controlling your comb very good. And here I'm using the wide side of the comb to have more control on my sectioning, because my sectioning they are big and too much hair, so I don't want to use the fine side because it will tingle and won't help me. So you keep doing your diagonal section till you reach the ear, and here it's gonna be the last section. What I'm gonna do on the left side, I'm gonna do the same. I take diagonal section as you see, and I'm gonna stay on the left side of the face. So from the nose to the left side of the face, I'm gonna stay in this zone. I won't push to the right side of the face. So this is very, very important, guys. When you are cutting, the consistency is the number one. This is what's gonna pop up your haircut and give you this a great result. Here you see my last section from the left side, diagonal section straight up. I'm not passing to the other side of the face. And here you're gonna tell me, okay, we finished. What we're gonna do the next, Waleed? We are going to keep going diagonal till the nape area, but where is your guideline? Your guideline is not the fringe area anymore. Your guideline is going to be the ear. So how you gonna get your new guideline? You're gonna take a little hair from the previous hair you cut it, and you are going to take your diagonal section straight up above the ear. Literally, you won't pass the ear, you won't push forward after the ear. You're gonna keep your section diagonal straight up above the ear, literally, and you cut. If you pass the ear, you are going to ruin your haircut, and it's gonna be very heavy, and then you have to fix it again. Just your new guideline is going to be above the ear, so just put this in mind and make sure you are cutting above the ear, you are not passing it. Consistency, as you see, I'm gonna do the right side the same, straight up above the ear, and make sure my section very clean. And then when I take a section, I take half-inch section, and I use the wide side of the comb. This is gonna make it easier when I'm combing too much hair. After I finish, here we go. I'm going to do blowout to dry the hair, and as you see, I'm going back and forth, right, left, every direction when I'm doing the blowout. Why? This is gonna give the hair more flexibility, and then when I'm going to style it, it's gonna be easier for me to style it. So I'm pushing the cuticle, I'm pushing the hair in every direction, but I go with the cuticle. I don't go against the cuticle because I don't want to show any frizziness, and you know, keep the cuticle closed, soft, smooth, and shiny. So always go with the cuticle. After that, as you see, I'm going to do right now flat iron. Make sure your section is small, not more than half-inch, and use heat protection on the hair to not damage the hair. And the heat protection I'm using is gonna give a really nice finish, glossy, shiny, beautiful look. So plus it's gonna protect the hair. So as you see, take your time and do the great job. Don't rush, and then you find out, oh, I did this wrong, and this is not even. So always just take your time so you don't have to go second time and fix again. After I finished, now it's the time to start the dry cut part and start the point cutting technique and blend those hairs together, all those beautiful layers, and create this great V shape. As you see, I'm using different shear than the one I started when I was cutting wet hair, because this is just for texturizing and for slicing technique, point cutting technique. So this is a different blade, just to know, guys, because not the same shear for everything. And here we go. I'm going on the perimeter way down, and just I fix any hair I see I don't like, very long or frizzy or something. Just I fix it, and as you see, the shape is just amazing. Wait till the final look and you'll see what I'm talking about. Now here I'm doing some slicing technique. Why? Because I want to create this gorgeous piecey slices like look around the face frame, and to add more beauty to the hair, you know, just beautiful pieces around the face, on the cheeks, under the chin, just beautiful. Here I'm doing twisting technique. It's gonna create more texture. After I finish and I'm satisfied with the result, I put some cream, styling product. Doesn't matter what the brand you are using, you like, just use it, pushing the hair back from the center, and I spray it after that. And wait, guys, till you see the final look. She is absolutely gorgeous. So here we go. This is the final look, and as you see, this is the V-shaped haircut. Look to the result, full of texture, amazing, fabulous. What you want more than that? Okay guys, as you see, this is our V haircut. I hope you like it. It is different technique. I'm sure this is 2019, not the same V like 5 years ago or 10 years ago. This is different method to cut the V shape. I hope you like it, guys. If you like my videos, just don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell button too, so you get all the notifications when I upload new videos. I need your love, I need your support. I see you next week with a new video, new idea, and maybe new place nobody know. Okay, take care of yourself and ciao for now.